Hello, thank you so much for joining us. This is Business Nigeria, broadcasting live from our Atlantic studio, Victoria Island. Welcome and thank you so much for joining us. These are the stories we are tracking for you at this time. Vice President Shettima says President Tinubu will turn Nigeria into an investment hub moving forward. CBN predicts 4.17% GDP growth in 2025. Stocks get a tech boost. Tariff uncertainty weighs on the dollar. On our show today, we will start with Nigeria's capital market outlook for 2025 and the quest for a $1 trillion economy. A very, very interesting conversation, I must tell you. And on the flip side of the show today, we will discuss the recent increase in telecoms tariff by 50%. And the National Association of Telecommunications Subscribers' decision to react, of course, to this. We will be looking at that on the flip side of the show today. But first, let's start with stories making headlines around the world of business. Yes, let's tell you that the Vice President, Senator Shettima, says President Bola Tinubu is working hard to make Nigeria an investment hub in Africa. The Vice President said this during a group discussion on humanitarian and resilience investing roadmap for Africa at the ongoing 2025 World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland. Spokesperson to the Vice President, Mr. Stanley Nwocha, disclosed this in a statement made available to newsmen. The Vice President stated that Nigeria is poised to invade the global business platform with modernization and robust investment. According to Senator Shettima, serious investors can now take advantage of Nigeria's growing investment climate to tap from the limitless opportunities in the country. Meanwhile, the Vice President also met with the President of Botswana, Mr. Dumagboko, to discuss areas of mutual interest between both countries.
The realization of our dream of an African pre-continental trade area, which will really harness the potentials of intra-African trade. Trade within Africa now accounts for only 17% of our trade. Within Europe, it accounts for 67% of their trade. And in Asia, it's 57%. So this AFCFTA provides us with a platform to harness the potentials of Africa for the good of the African people. And it's envisaged that intra-African trade will increase by 52% by 2025. And it will add about $500 billion to the African GDP by 2030. So I urge you to embrace that path of African harmony and development.